topic is goal seek. Usually, you create a formula to calculate a result based upon existing values. But in goal seek, you can discover what values will produce the result that you want. Basically, it is used when we want to achieve the goal. That is, we want to achieve our output. In this, we don't know the input values for achieving the particular goal or output. Let's see with the help of an practical example. We have same quantities, principal amount 1 lakh, rate of interest 2 and time periods 2 years. We can simply calculate simple interest by a formula principal into rate of interest into time period divided by 100. This is 4000. Now, why we use goal seek? If we want profit 5000 in place of 4000, then how much principal amount would be required to get this profit 5000? Is it clear? In this, we have output 5000. Based on this output, we have to calculate the input variable, that is principal amount. For this, place the cursor in the formula cell, then go to tools, then select goal seek. Then in formula cell, the correct cell is already entered. This one is our formula cell. This cell is already entered in formula cell. Then in target value, enter the desired result in target value field which we want to achieve. For example, we want to achieve 5000 profit. So I am entering 5000. Is it clear? Now, next is in variable cell. For this, click the cell whose values we have to change. For example, we have to change the value principal amount. So I am selecting principal amounts address, cell address. Now press OK. Goal seek successful. Do you want to insert the result? Yes. Now, according to this tool give us result. If we can achieve 5000, if we have to invest to 1,25,000. Okay, this one is goal seek. Now our next topic is solver. It is more elaborate form of goal seek. The difference is that the solver deals with equations with multiple unknown variables. The main difference between goal seek and solver is that in goal seek we can calculate a result for one unknown variable, but in solver we can calculate a result for the multiple unknown variable. Okay, it is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to set of rules that you define. In this, we can calculate our result based on some particular conditions. Let's see with the help of an practical example. We have these quantities for any product. For example, I am taking these quantities for a product pen. Selling price of product is rupees 10. Making cost is 4. Quantity is 3000. And fixed cost for setup is 10,000. We can calculate profit by applying formula selling price minus cost price multiply quantity minus fixed cost. Is it? And we can calculate profit per unit by formula total profit divided by quantity. Okay. Now in solver, if we want profit 20,000 in place of 8,000, then we have three options. We can change selling price, making cost, quantity. but we cannot change fixed cost. Okay, for this we can also set up some conditions. Conditions are, if I want maximum to maximum selling price 15 and minimum to minimum cost price 3 for achieving profit 20,000, then firstly click on tools, then select solver. Solver dialog box will appear. Then in target cell, select target cell value which we want to change. For example, we want profit 20,000. This is our target cell value field. In this we want 20,000. Now if you want exactly value 20,000, then choose the value 20,000. You can also choose maximum to maximum and minimum. In changing cells, select cells in which you want changes. For example, we want changes in selling price and making cost. We have to change selling price maximum to maximum 15 and making cost minimum to minimum 3. I am selecting these two. Now in limiting conditions, set the conditions. We want selling price maximum to maximum 15, that means less than equal to value 15. Our second condition is we want cost price minimum to minimum 3, that means greater than equal to 3. Is it clear? Now click on solve. Solving successfully finished. You want to keep the result or restore previous? I want keep the result. Now if we consider, according to result, if we consider selling price 15 and cost price 5, then we could achieve profit 20,000. If you want another values, repeat these steps again. I hope today's lecture is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can query to me. Okay, thanks to all.